Hey everyone, how are you? All right, welcome to A Better Way Kitchen, Joy's Food Pharmacy. We're back with something really nice today, so we're hoping you're gonna try. Listen, let me show you what I made, and this is very easy. In fact, this is the easiest bread I have ever made. I've made bread in my life. I've made cupcakes from scratch. I've made muffins from scratch. But this is the easiest, like as in the easiest I've ever made. So let me show you guys something. So here is my bread, my blueberry muffin, and my love cupcake. You all see that? Let me show you guys. This is my blueberry muffin right here. See that? If you want to know I made this thing, just keep watching. Don't go nowhere. Some funny reason all the blueberry went to the bottom, but that's fine. I have blueberry, that's the most important thing. Yeah. It's very fluffy. How did I make this? Simple ingredients, bread without flour. Say it after me. Bread without flour. So if you're having one health issue or the other, follow us on this. You got your mixer, you have your eggs and the peanut butter. With the eggs, let me tell you what I did. So I have 5 eggs here. Why do I have 5 eggs? Because I'm going to take 3 whites and 2 yolk. So see, follow me, okay? Blueberry muffin. So I have peanut butter. I have the peanut butter with crunch. This is just a teaspoon. I'm not going to use more than that because of cholesterol, okay? And that's all I used. A teaspoon of the crunchy and a teaspoon of the creamy. And the peanut butter is 2. Now, if you don't have the crunchy, that's fine. You can just use the creamy. Out of the way. And then my eggs, right? I said I used 2 with the yolk. Why am I doing that? For health issues, okay? So instead of using all the eggs with the yolk, I gotta divide it out. So these 3 eggs, I'm just gonna use the whites. Okay. Just the whites. Okay, remember we use 5 eggs, 2 whole eggs, and 3 just whites. Sweet. let it mix. That's for about a minute or two. Beat it, 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 just beat it, 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 just beat it, beat it. Okay? Now, if you don't have a mixer, it's okay. You can use a hand mixer, or you can whisk it with your fork. This it takes a long time. With a mixer, 1 minute, 2 minutes, you're done. Okay? What else do we have here? I have my nutmeg, actually, and cinnamon. I have here just about, because the peanut butter has sugar, so I just put like half a teaspoon of sugar. Half a teaspoon of sugar, that's all. Because this is healthy bread, healthy muffin, healthy cupcake. Just a teaspoon. Maybe it was up to a teaspoon. I think it was about half a teaspoon of sugar. Half a teaspoon, you see, this is brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And I have almond flour made from almond. Almond is a nut. You know I'm a nut person. So nutty. I love nuts. 1 tablespoon, that's all you need. And then I was lucky that I still have my coconut flour. This is coconut. Coconut. So you can take your coconut and the dry coconut and just blend it and blend it and blend it and use it. So everything in here is something you can easily get. I don't think everything in here is not up to, I don't think it's up to $2 or $1. Okay? And then I combine that. Alright. And let it do its thing. So this is okay. 1 to 2 minutes is enough for combine it, and then we are gonna make some muffin. You see, why did I use Why did I use the why did I use some crunchy peanut? Because I love crunch. I'm just gonna let that mix a little bit more for 1 minute. How about that? So here I have my jam or marmalade. Uncle open it. My marmalade, my bread spread. The beautiful thing about this is, you see this batter? You can make it into bread, you can make it into muffin, and you can make it into cupcakes. The same batter. You don't need to, oh, let me make bread. Oh, when I used to bake bread, I will stay, and then I will proof the bread, and I will let the yeast to rise, and I will lie, and even all those things are even unhealthy for your body. Then I found this, I said, oh, let me try it out. And then I cut my own ingredients, I cut it back. Like the peanut butter, I just use, remember, it's a teaspoon, not a tablespoon, a teaspoon. That's all you need. Okay? So now, this is my muffin plate. And you just feel and put it in the oven. So this particular mixture makes, I think it made 4. Yeah. This mixture makes, so you know how many muffin. So if you want more, just double the size, double the quantity. Double the quantity of your ingredients. The more you want, just go ×2. But I don't want more than that because I already have enough of muffin and bread and ooh. So I'll probably take this in. So that's it. You make 4. And you bake at 350. How do you know it's ready? You take your, listen, this is doesn't fail. You dip it in, give it about 20 minutes. That's how much I baked mine. About 20 minutes, and then you just dip this in the middle. It comes out dry. You know, your bread, your cake, your muffin ready. I love this, like I said, because the same ingredients, the same batter. You don't need to do any drama. This is so good. And it's so fluffy. It's so nutritional, and it's, listen, it's protein based. So for people who are vegetarian, super. This is super. You make this, put it in the fridge. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. You're good because it's protein, and it's not, like I said, the sugar. My sugar was just half a teaspoon. Not a tablespoon, but half a teaspoon. Why? Because there's sugar in the peanut butter. Peanut butter is sweet already. I love this. So hopefully you're going to try it. Just like I saw it and I tried it. And I said, you know what, let me share with my community. Hopefully you can try it too, because this bread, see, this is dense. And you see my nut? That's why I use 2 pounds of peanut butter. I like to have nuts. So like this, you can put your flax seed, your chia seed. If you have almond, you want to put in it. You know, just chop it up. I chop almonds or walnuts. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to pour my nuts in it. It's so heavy. I can't believe that. This is just eggs and peanut butter. And 1 tablespoon of almond flour. One tablespoon of coconut flour. Gives you this marvelous thing. Hey, my goodness. So thank you guys for hanging out with us today. So catch you next time on A Better Way, when we find out something new and we bring it to our community to show you. Yeah, this is also natural, made from berries. Blueberry jam. Blueberry muffin made from peanut butter and eggs.